Do you want to know how you can log into your JN Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your JN Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for JN Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of JN Funds Manager. You can scroll a bit down and you can see that there are two options of logging in. Either you can log in using JN Fund Managers Online or JN Fund Managers Pension. So go ahead and click on this over here. After you click on login here, it will take you to the login portal of JN Mortgage or JN Mutual Fund. So wait for a while, click on the link. It will take you to this page where you can see that in a while you can now log into your account in JN Funds. It might take some time according to your internet speed and the location of your place. So go ahead and click on that link and in a while you can see this live portal will open up. Go ahead and write down your username in this box, write down your password in this one and then click login. This way you can log into your JN Funds Manager account. Let me show it to you once again. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge, go to Google, go and search JN Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of JN Funds Manager. Scroll a bit down and click login here. It will take you to this page over here and you can write down your username, your password and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your JN Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.